Hi, I'm Linda Swendling. I have my own professional development firm and have authored or co-authored 14 books. I'm also a certified speaking professional. I've had more than 2,000 hours advising and mentoring CEOs, both in one-to-one settings and in groups. Through my work with the world's largest CEO development organization, I've gained a deep understanding about what's important to them, how they respond, and when they don't. What is important to them might surprise you. Prior to starting my own company, I worked with several business owners when I practiced corporate and employment law. Currently, I'm seen as the workplace wisdom expert on Mornings with Lori and Larry, a television and radio show reaching approximately 40 million households in North America. I've also been called one of the country's top experts on communications by the Network of Executive Women, and a bargaining expert by American Way magazine. Please let me know if I can help your organization or speak at your next event.